메르하바 미지입니다. 오늘은 터키에 오면 꼭 한번 해봐야 한다는 열기구를 타러 가고 있습니다. 그 열기구는 지난 6일간 한 번도 뜬 적이 없다고 하는데요. 또 오늘 운이 좋게도 뜰 수 있다 해가지고 열기구를 지금 타러 가고 있습니다.
So now they are giving the, you can see yellow flag. It means we should wait. They will update again. So which flag is coming, we will follow. Okay, I will give you information. Thank you. 눈이 있으면
Cancel? Is it cancel? What? No! It looks so good. Wait, I want to take one picture. Oh, yeah, sure.
I don't know.
Yeah, one more day.
Stay one more day with us. Yeah.
One more day. One more day. One more day. One more day. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Morning. Cry, don't cry.
I'm so glad you stayed one more day.
Yeah. Yeah. I cry when someone cries.
I also like tearing up.
Yo. 와, 멋있다. 진짜 멋있다. 우와. 진짜 멋있다. 이 열기구와 함께 주변 배경이 어우러져서 진짜 말로는 형용하기 힘든 그런 그 근사함이 있습니다. 와, 진짜 멋있다.
It's like an aeroplane.
Yeah.
Oh, we need to build? I think so. Whoa. So that we don't need to. This is the best ever.
Yeah, this is way better than what I thought. Wow.
Okay everyone, and then this is my professional camera, 360 degrees.
Yeah.
I will record your flight video and photo from the outside. That's one.
What is this feeling? I feel so weird now. Yeah.
This doesn't feel real.
I feel like I need to pay more for this experience.
I can't
yeah.
believe it.
It's totally like worth the money.
Like I was literally, I would have paid my.
Biraz daha sonra abi.
오.
Yo. Your hotel in the balloon. And now my crew help you. You can one by one go out. After we will take a champagne party. And I will give you the flight safety. Now champagne shower time. Are you ready?
You.
3,
2, 1.
Cheers,
Cheers, guys. Cheers.
Nicole, Frankel.
Feels so good, so good.
I can die now. I'm happy.